Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
Welcome to the, I think the fifth, I think this is the fifth challenge you're going for. So welcome, thank you for joining me again, and let's get into the look. So I already did my one eye off camera. It doesn't look like it because the light is too bright, but I'll zoom in for you guys so you can see the makeup look. And let me show you the inspiration for this video today. This is the inspiration. Let me turn down the light. This is the inspiration for our look today. I'm only focusing on the colors. So the colors are gold, as you can see. We have silver, this one, and then we have, let me say, grayish black. So those are the colors that we'll be focusing on. And let's get into this look. So as you saw on the necklace, we have three dominating colors: silver, gold, and grayish black. So I'm going to be using this palette. This is the Girl 23 Girl palette that I got from Zuki, the makeup artist. You can check her out on Instagram as well. So she gave me this when I was starting off my makeup business. So thank you, Zuki. So yeah, I'm going to be using these colors. So the first color I'll be using is this gray, second color is this gold, and then the third color is this grayish black. So this grayish black, I want to mix it with this pale gray. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using. As you saw, the first color is the gray, and I'm going to use this thin brush. This is the brush that I'm going to use for the gray, and I'm just going to be like, it's just a simple makeup eyeshadow routine. So the first color that I have to use now is a transition color, and it's going to be this brown. This is the brown that I'm going to use for transition color, and I'm just going to dab it and focus on my crease. As you can see, it's not even dominating, it's just a crease color to make sure that all the colors can sit on it and they can blend nicely with it. So like I said, the second color that we'll be using is the gray, and I'm going to focus in my inner corner of my eye, and I'm not going to pull it any further than just around this area. And usually the inner corner color that, or eyeshadow that we put, is usually a gold color. This is just a twist that I wanted to do, so that any color can go anywhere as long as you blend it correctly and with colors that match or fall in within the same color scheme. So that's what we're going to do for this makeup look. And then the next color, oh my god, am I so pale? Yeah. And then the next color that I'll be using is the gold, like I showed you, and I'm going to put it right on the center of the eyelid. You can make this eyeshadows pop even more by using either glitter or an eyeshadow primer. But if you don't have an eyeshadow primer, like I always tell you, you can use a concealer, but you must make sure that the concealer is a shade lighter than the normal concealer that you would use. So that will work best for eyeshadow primer / concealer. So you just want to pack this gold because you want it to pop. Just pack it, and then I think I like how that looks. This dark gray that I have there, so I'm just going to put it at the outer part of my eyes, blending it into the gold. And then the next product that I'll be using is the hot gel, like I always use. I took a black one just to make sure that the gold is popping on the eyes. So I'm just going to do a simple wing liner. So I'm not done yet with the eyes like I always do. So today I'm going to be using this Yardley illuminating primer. Going with the theme of grace here. So I'm just going to put it on my problem areas, like my smile lines, my pores. As you can see with this eyeshadow, there's not a lot of fallout, so it's good. All is good. So the foundation I'll be using is this Clinique. I'll be using Clinique for my face. Concealer I'll be using oldie but a goodie. It's finished but still does the job. So I'm just going to squeeze it out and place it right there under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, the forehead, and start blending everything into the skin. So I'm going to contour again with the LA Pro concealer. This is in the color Dark Cocoa. I haven't done this in a while actually, so I was like, today let me just get finished. So I'm going to line it on the sides of my concealer that I put right on my nose, leading up to the eyebrow. I'm going to use this brush. This is the contour brush. So I'm just going to blend it into the foundation as I pull it up and under the chin as well. So what I want to do now is conceal the, conceal the concealer. Yeah, conceal the concealer. So I'm just going to put the powder where the concealer was. So I'm going to put some blush on my face. So I'll be using this is the Knick New York blush duo. So I'll be using the pink side of it. And I'm going to highlight my face. So I want to use this shimmer powder. I want to use it on the inner corner of my highlight. It looks like it's basically just gray. Using this brush to put this powder on the inner corner highlight. A very loose powder, so it can move around very easily. So you need to dab in and blow it so that it doesn't fall on other parts of your face, especially if you do foundation first. So I want to take this powder again and put it under my eyes, like only the first part under the eyes. I'm going to use this shimmer right here. I want to put it under the, next to the gold, next to the silver. Not a lot, just a tiny bit. And then we're going to finish it off with that black that I used up here. I'm just going to drag it all the way down. So we're just doing the same eyeshadow look. We're doing it underneath the eye, but in a thin line. And you don't want it to overpower, of course, so you're just going to put it in a thin line across the waterline there. So I want to put on my eyelashes and come back with the final look. I'm back with final look. I actually had to fix this part of the necklace. It's coming off actually. So I had to go get it and just attach it to this gold chain over here. But yeah, everything looks okay. Hopefully it won't fall. But yeah, this is the inspiration, and I paired it with this nice top that my sister gave me. It's mustard, it's not gold, but it goes with the necklace, so all is well. So I hope you like this video. There's two more videos left for this makeup challenge, makeup accessorized. So be sure to tag me and to use the hashtag makeup accessorized when you do this look, when you do any look actually that is inspired by a necklace. This is the necklace edition. We will see where else we this makeup accessorized takes us. But yeah, I appreciate you and I thank you for subscribing, for sharing, and for liking this video. Do comment down below and tell me which is your favorite look so far. Yeah, this was one of the easiest looks actually. Yeah, I like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. Oh, I look so pretty. Why? Much better. Okay. You're right. I just